Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Tricks, back with a new video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a fluffy Bantu knot out. Not a curly fro, just a fluffy Bantu knot out. Before we get into the video, I told you guys that today I would be doing the Q&A, but I forgot that I had this video ready for you guys. So we're going to do it on Thursday instead of today. So drop those Q&A questions in the comment section below. I'm going to do another questions thing on Insta. So when you see that, go ahead and drop your questions in there or the comment section. Either or, I'm going to get to those questions on Thursday. So without further ado, if you want to see how I do what I do and how you can do it too, then keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. Alright, so let me tell y'all, my twist out did not last more than 3 days. This is day 4 or 5. I took it out Saturday. Today is Tuesday. So however many days that is in between that, that's where we at now with it. So this was supposed to be a pineapple, but we about to put some Bantu knots up in this joint because I got somewhere to be on Saturday. So I am once again going to be putting my hair, setting my hair one day and taking it out like 5 days later. What the hell is that? My bad. So I'm going to be setting my hair right now and taking it out in a few days. And since I haven't washed my hair yet, I'm going to use the same exact products that I used in the twist out video. Some water in a spray bottle, my Lotta Body curl and style milk, and my Main Choice butter. So that's what I'm going to be using to set my hair. And since it's already like quasi stretched, I'm not going to wet it too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right on into it. Oh, so my hair is it's still you know, like relatively detangled. And I'm not gonna be doing like any like defined sections or anything like that. I'm just gonna kind of start, you know, sectioning it off and starting it up. And these probably won't even be like wearable Bantus. I'm gonna wear them anyway because I'm Tricks and I don't care. But I'm not gonna part them like with a comb, so they won't be like clear defined parts because I just want to get my hair set. Oh, sorry for the audio. I don't have my microphone upstairs with me. It's downstairs and I'm not going to get it. Since the goal and the intent of this Bantu knot set is for a large fluffy type whatever you want to call it, for a large fluffy type style, I'm not going to do several small parts. I'm going to do pretty large parts. Shrinkage is ridiculous, yo. All right, let me act like a YouTuber and show y'all the product. Oh wait, that's the wrong side, hold on. Yo! Alright, this is how much I'm using for the section. It's a pretty thick section, so I am going to use a larger amount than I normally would use. And make sure you concentrate it on your ends, girl. Alright, so now I'm literally just going to split the section in two. And I just really want to make sure it's detangled, yo. And I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist. And I kind of do want it to shrink up, but I just want to make sure that it's really fluffy, you know? And I'm leaving this one undone because I want to give it a chance to shrink up a little bit. When I finish this one over here, I'll twist that one. Y'all know not to comb dry hair, right? I just want to make sure we know this. It's like, we know this, right? We know this? Okay. All right, now I'm gonna just twist this one up and put it in a Bantu knot. And I'm not even gonna do a tight one. Not even gonna do a tight one, just one that I know is gonna stay. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the middle sections. I'm gonna do 2 in the middle. Because again, like I said, I really just want this to be a fluffy set. I don't want it to be too defined. I don't want it, like I want fluffy hair. So that's what we doing. We're doing fluffy hair. So I'm gonna just finish the rest of these, and I guess I'll just fast forward through it. Unless I got something to say, because if I got something to say, then I'm going to talk. All right, so to do a Bantu knot is really, really simple. You're just going to wind the hair, and I'm doing these loose, so you're just gonna wind the hair, hold the base so it has something to wrap around, and you're just gonna wrap it either away from your face or towards your face. You figure it out. I'll do one more, the last one, just so you can see. And boom, that's a Bantu knot. Okay, so I am going to let these set for the next 4 days, and I will see you guys on Saturday when I'm cute and it's time to take these down. Okay, sorry about the audio. I'm doing this voiceover and my MacBook, the fan is running and stuff. But anyway, so I was at my mom's and I forgot that I was supposed to be filming this for you guys, but then I remembered after I had taken like 2 down that I actually did bring my camera, so I set up and here we are. So to take these down, I just literally unwound the Bantu knot the opposite direction that I wound it up, and I separated each strand of the 2-strand twist, and I kind of just spread it out. So you'll see once I take the Bantu knot down that it's in this really cute corkscrew curl kind of pattern, and then I'm literally just going to take each strand of the 2-strand twist and spread it out. I don't even go all the way down to the bottom of the strand. I literally just kind of fan it out, and that, I mean, it's pretty visible what I'm doing in the video. You can see me doing it right here. Yep, I'm doing it. And then I'm gonna take a pick and just fluff up my roots a little bit, because again, like I told you guys, I wanted this to be a fluffy set. And the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. See that pretty corkscrew? Yes, girl. But the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. And I'm very, very happy with how this came out. It's very soft. It's very fluffy and shiny. You guys can see the shine here from the video. And I didn't put any extra oil on it. I didn't put any oil on my hands. And this has been sitting from Tuesday to Saturday. And that's without any additional product. Like I said, no extra oil added. That's just how this came out. So like I said, I'm very, very happy with how this one turned out.
All right, I need to find a mirror so I can finish fluffing this. I'll be right back. Okay, all right. That's better, because I couldn't see, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't see. So this is the end result. Let me turn around and show you guys the back.
Hey.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
What you doing?
Filming.
Ooh.
You want to come in?
Can I?
Come in. My sister is coming to say hi.
How you doing?
That's my little sister.
Younger, not little. Love you.
Bye. All right, so I think I'm gonna play my hair a little bit more. I'll probably fluff it out some more, but this is really the gist of it. So we are at the end of another tutorial with Trice, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and again, leave those Q&A. Leave those Q&A questions in the comments section below, and Thursday, not today, Thursday will be the Q&A video. So that's all there is to say, and there is no more, except as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, love you, love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.